reverse sear with a blue cheese crust. So I have here a nice bone-in prime rib. I cut it myself yesterday. So we're going to go ahead and get a start. You can be liberal with the salt and pepper. It's a big piece of meat, so you can be liberal with it. All we're going to do is put salt and pepper on it for right now. Make sure you get all the edges. Flip it over. Okay. Now I have my grill already set for 225, okay, on the smoke. I have my cast iron pan in there. The cast iron pan is going to be used for the reverse sear. And yeah, we'll just get this thing all seasoned up here. As I said, we got just salt and pepper, that's all, right now. Alright, so, it's looking good. We'll go ahead and throw this right here. Alright, now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for an internal temperature of about 110 degrees. We're going to take it off. After it reaches 110, we're going to let it rest. While it's resting, we're going to fire the grill up to 500 degrees or as high as your grill will go. Okay, and we're going to get that pan nice and hot. And then we're going to smother the top of it with blue cheese. We're going to put the steak in the pan, smother with the blue cheese on the bottom, and then you're add some real blue cheese on top of it. We're going to let that crust up, and we're going to flip it over, let that other end crust. We're looking for 135 to 140 degrees internal temperature, be about medium to medium rare. So yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Hey, welcome back, Cooking with Dave. I got a little bit of paprika butter here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put a couple little dabs of paprika butter on there, and just give a little bit of that extra sweetness to the steak. Put one here, put one there. I just checked the steak earlier, just a little while ago. I checked it, and we're about 75-80 degrees internal temperature, so we got a little ways to go. We're going to put a little bit of butter on there and let that butter melt in there, and that will just absorb into the steak. Alright folks, welcome back. Okay, I just went ahead and checked our steak, and we got an internal temperature of almost 110 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and pull the steak off like such. That looks nice. Got that butter that's on top of there. That looks so good. Alright, this is going to rest for about 10 minutes. And we're going to go ahead and move this skillet to the center here. Be careful, it's going to be hot. Alright, close this up. And I'm going to crank my all the way up to the highest level, which is about 500. Check to make sure you got enough pellets in there. And while this is getting up to temperature, we're going to bring this inside and we're going to let it rest. So, alright folks, we're almost there. Got the grill all fired up. It's sitting right at 500 degrees, and it's ready to go. The steak has been resting now for about 10 minutes. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this. I like Maria's mayonnaise, Maria's blue cheese the best. That's what I like. But take a little bit of blue cheese here, dab it on there. A little bit more because I like blue cheese. All right, and we're just going to paint it on there, just like such. Now I've never done this before, so this is all new to me. But I know blue cheese and steak really taste good together, so this is going to be our experiment. Alright, got some blue cheese on there. Oh, the juices that are coming off of this steak are phenomenal, making my mouth water just thinking about it. Alright, got a little bit of olive oil here. A little bit of olive oil in there. Don't need a whole lot. And we're going to take some of that chipotle, that butter with the paprika in it. Put a little bit of that in there. Alright. We'll mix that around a little bit. Get all that nice and happy. Alright. Now be careful, it's going to be hot, so take your board, bring it in here, slap it right down. Now while it's in there like that, take the blue cheese again. Pop it on there. Hand it on there. All right. We'll get this lid closed up and let that cook for a little bit. It's not going to take long, so just hang out here with us while it's going. When we get this thing off the grill here in a little bit, we're going to cut into it. All right, the flies are out in abundance now. Just a little check. Oh yeah. All right, we're going to go ahead and flip this over. And I like to put a little bit more of the blue cheese on this side here, just because I can. Oh, but can you smell it? Oh, it smells so good. And it's hot. Damn, it's hot. Burning my fingers off. All right. It's going to be good. It's going to be real good. One more flip. Goodness gracious. All right. Let's take this bad boy off the grill, huh? What do we say? Wow. That looks so good. We'll shut our grill off here. Shut it off. A little bit of that over top. Last little bit of that butter. Spread it on there. Oh man, this is going to be good. All right. Let that cool down. All right. Let's take this bone off first. Oh man. Yep. Remember, you want to cut this on the cross grain. Yep. Look at that. Oh. Medium. Medium rare. Look at the juices just flowing out of it. The smell is out of this world. Alright, take this piece right here. Asking for a prime rib cut. Put it on your smoker, low temperature, about an hour and a half, 110 degrees internal temperature. Take it off, let it sit. Fire your smoker up to 500 degrees or as high as it will go. Cast iron skillet, a little bit of paprika butter, a little bit of olive oil. Get that pan nice and hot. Smother it with blue cheese on one side. Put it inside the pan. Put the blue cheese on the other side and get a nice crust on it. And I'm telling you, it's out of this world. You can put this on a taco. You can put this on anything. You can put this just plain with a little bit of tomato salad and just so good. Gotta have me this last piece, but before I do, I want to thank you again for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and leave a comment if you like this one. Until then, have a great day. God bless. We love you.